Yeah, my soul is rich and it's privileged. Yeah, these niggas just mad cause I'm winning. Yeah, these niggas just mad cause I'm winning. Following my purpose and you know I'm worthy. And the money come every day, like the money was on replay. Let it rain, parade, rain, parade, rain, parade, rain, parade, rain, parade. I ain't got time to stay in today. I got the phone this paper route. Get it, oh my goodness, get it, oh my goodness. Okay, watch how I move, De Niro. Niggas are now on point like an arrow, and be singing those lines like barrels. I keep on pushing like I was a pedal, not living the past, bro. We gotta keep going up like ladders. It don't matter. Everything got cause and effect, like dominoes. Yeah, I stay on point like decimals. Niggas don't understand the principle. Like a nigga got shot, it get critical. Checking these niggas like it was a physical. If the bitch wanna go, then let her go. High on life like I'm eating edibles. Yeah. These niggas don't know. Like it was a ticket. I'm a boss, so I handle my business. Ain't gon' back and forth, it ain't tennis. They can get bad like Dennis and Menace. Ballin' this nigga so hard, ain't no scrimmage. So cold with this shit, it's a sickness. Hey, yeah, I'm cold with this shit, it's a sickness. Yeah, I'm so rich and it's privilege. Niggas mad cause I'm just winning. And this nigga just mad I'm winning. Follow my purpose and you know I'm worthy. And the money come every day. And the money is on replay. Let it rain, parade. Parade, rain, parade, rain, parade, rain, parade. I ain't got time to stay in today. I gotta fill this paper out. Get it, oh my goodness. Get it, oh my goodness. Fight with York, get a boxing. Yeah, nigga really hot like the tropics. Like Dre's my nigga, we locked in. These niggas just mad cause we poppin'. Yeah, sizzle. These niggas just mad for real though. Got like heart, but I'm still little. You did. Just my circle, circumference. Boy, no niggas, no conference. Bitch, I'm confident, not pompous. And spiritual and conscious. I'm a goddess, so why the fuck that I should